If you want festival post for your business, then watch a complete video. Open your browser and search admaker.com. Choose any festival that you want. If you have already created an account, then simply log in. If you have not created, then create your account. Fill your all business details and do register. Click on Start Design button. Choose any template that you like. If you want to change any details, then click on this icon and change your information. You can change any color from here. You can delete brand name and upload your own logo. Once your post is ready, then click on Process button. You can use free first coupon code and get your free festival post. Then proceed to checkout. Fill your other details and place order. After order completed, then you can download a file. Open a file manager in your phone and then click on File and extract the file. After that, you can use your festival post.